Hi, welcome to Susie's Scrap and Spot. In my video tutorial today, I am going to show you how to use a product called heat transfer material. You may have seen people using this with the Silhouette machine. You do not have to have a Silhouette machine and you do not have to buy it from Silhouette. I will give you the website if you want to go ahead and email me where you can purchase this. They have all different colors. Okay, so when using the heat transfer material, you want to always make sure shiny side down. The shiny side is the protective film, not the heat transfer. So just remember, shiny side down. I'm going to stick it on your mat. Make sure it's stuck down pretty good. Load it in your Cricut. Today I am going to use the Walk in My Garden cartridge, just a simple, quick flower. If you're doing lettering like Disneyland or any words, you need to make sure that you use your flip button and flip your image, because it will not come out right when you go to iron it on if you don't. But with a flower it doesn't matter. So we're just going to do the daisy, 4 inches. We're going to use the same settings as we would for vinyl. So our first one is 3 on our blade. Our speed is at low. And our pressure is at medium. And if you want one of these Cricut cheat sheets, email me and I will send you a copy. It doesn't automatically forward. I just have to attach it to an email. So I will be happy to send that to you. But anyway, we're ready to go. 4 inches, so we hit cut. And I will come back in just a minute and show you the next step. We're back. The Cricut is done cutting our daisy. I'm going to just hold this up real quick. I cut the sheet down so I didn't waste the extra that we didn't use because it's kind of expensive. So you're going to take your little hook that comes in your Cricut Tools kit. If you don't have this, if you have something else that'll work, that's fine too. And you're just going to go ahead and start your corner there. And you weed it just like you would vinyl, leaving the flower on the protective film. And that stays in there. So that's it. We're ready to iron on. Okay, we are here with the iron. What I have is just a tea towel here from the dollar store. Pretty much any cotton material is going to be fine. We've used canvas bags, t-shirts, the tea towels, and done a whole variety of different projects. So you just take your image that you cut out, and you need a layer in between that and your iron, because the protective film sticks to the iron really bad. So you can use craft paper, you can use a really thin piece of material, it doesn't matter what it is. And you take your iron and use a pretty fair amount of pressure and push and twist. And you're going to do that for about 20 seconds. And then when that 20 seconds is done, you're going to lift up, let it rest for 10-15 seconds. And then you're going to do it again, and you're going to do that 3 times. So you're doing it for a minute total. I've seen a whole bunch of different times that people have said this is what we have found that works the best. So that's what I would suggest. And then it's called a cold peel. So I will come back and show you that as soon as we're done with the ironing. Okay, so our ironing is done. Our towel is pretty cool. This is called a cold peel again, so you've got to make sure that it's cooled down before you start peeling. Now, if you come to an edge, let's see, that wants to keep pulling up and it's not quite ready, try somewhere else, because a lot of times it is ready in all the other places and it'll just peel back very nicely. If it really doesn't want to come up, then iron again. But see, that came off just fine. And then what I'll do is I'll just take my cloth again and just iron it straight on again, to make sure that those edges adhere really nicely down. And then they suggest washing whatever you're washing inside out. Tea towel, you can't do that, but like a t-shirt, to wash it inside out, and to make sure that that doesn't stick to anything else. So there you have it. You could do a super cute border. You can do, the sky's the limit with this stuff. Very neat product. And again, if you want to email me, I can tell you where I get it. It is kind of expensive, but It's really fun to play with, and if you have a special project, this would be great for that. So thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.